Hey guys, today we'll be review on this Hiccup Dragon Blade from How to Train Your Dragon 2. And I have my mother order this on Amazon. And now I got it and I'm very grateful for it. And before I do any reviews, I'm just gonna show you all the sounds and stuff. And that's all the sounds. But this thing is basically a lightsaber. But it just got a whole new blade and a whole new handle, and it also has a whole different style. And the off button is right here. And when you turn it to off mode, you have to keep on pressing it. But if you turn it to on mode, and you just click it once, there's a little thing, and it stays on. And so that's a really good fact. And that was his Dragon Blade for today. If you want to see other reviews on it, click on a little link after this video, and you can see more videos. The next video is going to be with my Hiccup bracelets on, and I'm going to be doing an act from the movie with his sword and my bracelets. And if you want to see it, leave a link in the description, and I'll see you later.